sarili. Nandito tayo ngayon, kailangan bigyan din natin ng konting pahalaga kung paano tayo nag-umpisa. Ito yung nag-umpisa dahil lang mamatay si Pete Corpus. And nagkapi-kapihan, ganyan, sina Javi Jasmines and the group, nag-uusap-usap, sabi, let's organize na nga. And when we organized, that was when nagkaroon ng board, at tapos na-elect akong first president. Minsan, hindi naman exactly election, Pilipit na kamayan eh. Ganyan naman yan. But I'd like to share with you some things that may pagmamalaki natin. Kasi nung first year na yun, nagkaroon tayo ng regular meetings na kinukumbida natin yung mga matatandang front members na successful to share with us yung kanilang mga experience so that they become our models, our idols, or gentlemen veterans. We did that. We also invited our former sweetheart, like I think si Josie Trinidad, Josie Trinidad. Invited natin to show na yung sweetheart ng beta never fades. They stay beautiful. So, yun ang pagmamalaki natin. And there's another one na pagmamalaki ko. Kasi nung maging presidente ako, without his permission, I appointed Lito Manahan as president for life. Kaya si Lito, kasama ko yung pamala elementary kami. So, kanya makita nyo, ang ating funding completely in order, lumalaki at walang problema. Kaya nakuha ko na-appoint yan. Without his permission, I just appointed him. And the last thing that I am very proud about is for my family, 6 kaming veterans. 4 na alumni, isang resident at isang sweetheart. Baka sakaling madagdagan pa. Okay, thank you very much and congratulations to all of us.